All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the surgical guru. And today, I want to show you how to put a blade onto a knife handle. Now, if you do this incorrectly or with bad technique, there's a chance that you could hurt yourself. And I don't want any of you to get hurt. So let me show you how to properly load a blade onto a knife handle. All right, so when you are trying to load a 15 blade onto a knife handle or a blade onto a knife handle, doesn't matter if it's a 15 blade or a 10 blade, the principles are all the same. You want to hold the needle driver that you have the needle in, or the blade in, excuse me, it's a needle holder, but you're holding a blade. You want to kind of put a little counter pressure on the opposite side there. And there are two places that you can hold it. You can either hold it at the bottom there or the top. Now when you're loading the blade onto the knife handle, you want to hold the blade at the top, all right? And then you will see that there are grooves here on the blade handle. And you want to try and, it's gonna be hard to put it on straight. It's also not gonna go on if you're holding it at the bottom there. You don't have enough room. So you gotta hold it at the top, right? But then you don't wanna go straight. You kinda wanna put a bit of a bend onto the 15 blade, and that's gonna allow it to slide right on. And that's how you load your blade onto your knife handle. Now, as far as taking the blade off of the handle, now you're gonna grab it from the back, all right? And you're gonna kind of lift that blade up a little bit and push. And that'll help you get it off. Now, one thing that my teacher always told me, when you're loading a knife handle, do not load it up in the air like this, all right? Because there's always a chance that while you're doing it, if the grooves are not aligned correctly, the blade could go flying. You never know, it could hit somebody or fall off of the field, so you just wanna be careful, all right? So you wanna kind of point your knife handle down while you're loading it, all right? And that kind of shows people that you're trying to be careful, you're not trying to hurt anybody, and you're doing things safely. Now, another thing, a really bad habit that people get into is loading a blade with their hands onto the knife handle. You do not want to get into the habit of doing that. That is a bad habit. You may have seen me do it in some of my videos. In this case, I must say, do as I say, not as I do. I've gotten into that bad habit. I will call myself out for it, and I will be honest about my bad habits. That is not safe. I've gotten too comfortable, and that's something that I should not be doing. I should always be using a needle holder, because if the blade is dirty, it's not safe to use. Now, luckily, we have these safety blade handles where once we load it on, these are disposable. So we don't even need to save these. I could just kind of slide that up and toss it along with the blade. So that is how you load a blade onto a knife handle.